Welcome to Core Tech Agro Limited. Nestled in the serene beauty of Lama, Bandarban, one of the most enchanting hilly areas of Bangladesh. Here, on our vast 100-acre land, we nurture an abundance of nature's treasures. From succulent dragon fruits to creamy avocados. From luscious dates to nutrient-rich nuts. From juicy plums to the sweetest mangoes. And the finest quality of coffee. We cultivate fresh and quality fruits for you. But that's not all. We're also on a mission to conserve aquatic life. Our hatchery cultivates tilapia fish fry or baby tilapia fishes. And that's not all we do. We're committed to sustainable livestock farming too. Presently, we have 50+ goats, and our goal is to raise this number to 1,000 by next year. At Core Tech Agro Limited, we believe that nature's abundance is a gift that we must cherish and protect. Join us in our journey towards a greener and more prosperous tomorrow.